Hey guys, today's video is going to be my empties video. I keep this bag that I got from Dollar Tree next to my makeup, and whenever I get done with one, I just throw a bunch of stuff in there. And I have a lot of skincare beauty stuff, more so than makeup, because I don't go through makeup really quickly. This is months and months of stuff. Thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel and checking me out. And if you would like to go through my trash with me, then just keep on watching. I went through a pack of these. These are the L brand chlorine-free ultra thin pads. I also use their tampons and liners, and I highly recommend this brand. Everything has no synthetic pesticides, dyes, or fragrances. When you buy one, they give one to a girl in need, so I love that. I get these at Target. A lot of times when you get like organic tampons and stuff, they are more expensive because you're like paying for the organicness, but I don't think that these were any more expensive than buying, say, Kotex, Playtex, whatever. Those brands I still spend a lot more money on marketing. I've never seen an advertisement for this ever in my life. I was just looking up cruelty-free tampons and pads, and this is what I came up with, and I actually really love them. I think that they are better than some of the bigger name brands. I really truly do think that there is a difference because there's not chemicals in it. I would have always assumed that there wasn't chemicals in any of them, but apparently that's not true. And they're for a good cause. So the next thing that's also from the bathroom is this Method body wash. This is the Citrus Ginger Energy Boost. Method is another cruelty-free brand. That's why I started using them. I use their cleaning product. I really did like this. I don't know much about the energy boost, but I could definitely smell the citrus and the ginger. I don't know what sea buckthorn is, but it does lather up nicely. But I ended up going back to my OGX body wash just because you got maybe half a bottle more for a less. Again, there's nothing wrong with this. I like the other one better. I think I just felt like it was a little bit more moisturizing, but I definitely think this is a really good brand to check out. And I also got this at Target. Went through this Bath & Body Works Peach Prosecco Gentle Foaming Hand Soap. I love Bath & Body Works hand soap, especially the gentle foaming one. I have some of the Luxe hand soap now in my bathroom. It just comes out as a cream, and that's really nice too. I do love the foam one because, as you can see, you can get literally every single last dropout with this pump. So I really like this. This was a really good scent. My favorite scent is definitely, I don't know if it's called Georgia Peach or just like Sweet Peach or something like that, but that one's probably my favorite. They're $6.50. I don't buy them full price. I wait until they're having like their semi-annual sale or something, and I'll get a bunch of them. But I definitely think it's worth the money because this lasts me for months. So I know I went through more than one of these, but I only have one in here. It's the Batiste dry shampoo, and my favorite scent is the Tropical. It's my favorite dry shampoo. This one's so affordable. The cheapest place I found to buy it, besides like going to TJ Maxx, is at Target actually. Ulta jacks up the price of this by like a couple of dollars, so that, unless it's on the buy one get one 50% off sale, you're gonna pay more if you go to Ulta. Already repurchased this, will continue to repurchase it. I love it. I actually didn't go through this. This is actually still very full. This is the Professional Sebastian Sharper Zero Gravity Hairspray. And the reason I stopped using it is because the nozzle popped off and it wouldn't stay on and it wouldn't spray anymore. I wasn't using this anyway because it doesn't work. This is supposed to be the dry brushable lightweight control hairspray, and it's lightweight all right because it doesn't do anything. It doesn't hold my hair in place. It didn't do anything. I've had this for literally the whole time I've lived in this apartment, so like almost 2 years, and I just stopped using it because it doesn't work. I wouldn't repurchase this because it's not cruelty free anyway, but I wouldn't repurchase this if it was because it sucks. It's expensive. It didn't hold my hair. Another hair product that I went through was this Kevin Murphy Anti-Gravity Oil-Free Volumizer. This is like a gel type of thing that you just squeeze out into your hand and then like run through your hair wet. You have to buy this online or buy it at a salon that carries it because it's like one of those like salon only brands. I really did like it. This was probably my second one that I purchased, but I think the salon that I bought them at quit carrying this, or maybe Kevin Murphy quit making this. You know, I haven't really missed it just because I prefer a spray so I can feel like I'm getting it more evenly throughout my hair and then I'm not getting it on my hands. So I really did like this, but I don't think they carry it anymore. So I have two more hair products. I have these that came in a little mini kit together. This is the Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo and the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I love both of these. Definitely want to repurchase them in the bigger tubs. I kind of wish that they were in like pumps or squeezy tubes because like I hate being in the shower and having to like dip my hand in. This is really nice on your scalp to just use like once a week, and this is really nice like to use in lieu of conditioner. I really do love these products. At some point in time I will definitely repurchase them. I went through this Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. You guys have seen me use this a bunch on my channel. I really like it. I definitely want to repurchase it. The mist is like no other. I mean, maybe that's all I'm buying is the mist, because I don't know how it truly is comparing to any other setting mist. I really do think it makes my makeup look better. I don't know if it's making my makeup last. I feel like it lasted me a pretty long time because I'm very generous with this. Really like this. Definitely going to repurchase it. I went through one of these little Sol de Janeiro Bum cream. I love this stuff. I have a bigger one and I have another one just this size in my purse. It's great. It's wonderful. I love using it all over my whole body. I'm not a big lotion person because oftentimes they feel oily and greasy and I don't like that. And this doesn't do that whatsoever. It is pricey, so I try to use it pretty sparingly. I'm not a huge fan of the like Coconut Cabana, the new one. I feel like that one smells like a little buttery almost. Does anyone else feel that way? The Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Ebony. I went through 2 of these. I really do like them. I started using the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil because it was like a dupe for these. And then I went back to using one of these one day and I realized something. I like the LA Girl one better. These are a little creamier, and maybe because I'm not like a super brow pro, I like how the LA Girl one is just a tiny bit stiffer. It helps me be a little bit more precise and it blends out just as well too. These are really great brow pencils, but they're like $21. I can't bring myself to pay $21, especially when I could get like the LA Girl one for $5. I know there's a Wet n Wild dupe and a CoverGirl dupe. Both of those are on my list to try. I went through 2 of these Jack Black Intense Therapy lip balms. I go through these like crazy. They are my favorite. They are just so good. A tube of this lasts you for a really long time, I think. I always buy the duo that has like the stick and these. I have one in my purse at all times. I have a backup right now. As soon as I start that backup, you know I'm gonna go buy more. They have SPF 25. Definitely recommend these. This is the Sephora cream lip stain and this is in the shade 40. I really liked this. It came with a little perfume sampler kit that I got. I really love the color, but the Sephora brand isn't cruelty free, so I'm not gonna go out and purchase it. And besides that, ColourPop, Wet n Wild, they all have liquid lipsticks that are way more affordable than Sephora, so I'm just not gonna pay a lot for a liquid lipstick unless I find a high-end liquid lipstick at TJ Maxx. That's just how I've been feeling these days, you know? So I did go through one of these Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define concealers. This was in the shade C8. I did purchase another one, but I don't know if I'll purchase it again because after I keep using it, I'm realizing it's not the most full coverage and it claims to be super full coverage and I just don't think that it is. It's a nice regular medium coverage. It's great for every day. Today I'm wearing the e.l.f. 18-Hour Camo Concealer and it is way more full coverage than this. I went through a foundation, which is a shock. It expired in July of last year, but do you think that that mattered to me? I still use it. I use it down to every last drop. I don't love the dropper applicator on this, but this is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea foundation. It has SPF 15. I have the shade Medium Honey. I don't think I'll purchase this again just because I have drugstore foundations that I like better. If you're going for a more Your Skin But Better foundation, the Physicians Formula Healthy Skin Foundation is definitely a great one and it's way more affordable than this one. I went through these Ghiradelli Milk Chocolate Sea Salt Almonds. I love these. So I get them at Ross or TJ Maxx and they're a little bit cheaper. I love almonds, I love milk chocolate, and I love the sea salt. It just gives you a little extra something. It's so good. Ghiradelli chocolate is my favorite chocolate. At this point in my life, like I try not to eat too many sweets because I feel like if I get on a sweets kick, I will just go and go and never stop eating chocolate until I'm one big ball of chocolate. So I'm very picky and choosy with chocolate. I highly recommend them. I know you can get them at Target, but I would definitely check TJ Maxx, Ross, Marshalls, Home Goods, whatever the hell, discount store. Bargain Hunt sometimes has these kind of things. And yeah, pay a lot less. Pay $3 for these and no regrets. Alright guys, so that is it for my empties video today. It'll probably be months before you see another one of these because I like the bag to be pretty full, so I'm not just like, here's 4 products. I mean, it's kind of cheesy, but if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, I guess. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! I used a foundation that was way too dark for me. I am not this tan. I think that I'm this tan, and that's why I keep buying these dark ass foundations. When am I gonna learn? She's not a tan bitch.